Now we're going to move on to our unboxing. And this week, it's obviously boring because Google have released some phones. And I know some people get excited about that, but sensible people don't. Do they, Warren?
Here's the funniest thing. So Ed went out and got a Pixel 5, guys. So he's coming around, all that noise about Pixel, this and that, is all cacamini. Don't listen to him.
It's true, folks. I had some old tech. I had an old iPhone 10 I wasn't using, 4 years old. I bought it on day of release. And I had a 5-year-old laptop. And I thought, these are just sitting around gathering dust. And as I'm on an Android podcast and just dispensed with my OnePlus 8, maybe I need more than one Android phone. So I took them into a second-hand electronic exchange. And they gave me more money than I thought they would, as long as I spent their money in their shop. And they had on offer a Samsung S21 Plus and a Google Pixel 5. The Samsung was slightly more beaten up than Pixel 5, but also I thought, I'm not going to use the Samsung S21 Plus as a daily driver, really. I've got my Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. So what's the purpose of this Android phone? And I figured it was really to try and get access to updates as quickly as possible. So I do have a Fisher-Price Google phone, the Google Fisher-Price 5. I haven't done anything with it yet other than put a screen protector on it. But it does. It feels plasticky and Fisher-Pricey, as I expected. But yes, I do. I do have a Pixel. So I can criticize it from a position of knowledge rather than just a position of, bird's eye view of that compared to other phones. I look forward to doing that.
And by the way, that Pixel 5 is not plastic. It's just the coating. So don't let that fool you.
But why put a plastic coating on something that's not plastic?
No, it's painting, my man. It's not plastic.
But why paint it?
Because we wanted to paint it. What is it you don't get? Austin, can you help me with this?
But it doesn't feel premium. It feels tacky. Like, why?
Yeah.
Why do it?
It feels, you should not do it. You should keep it metal.
I should have known better than asking a 3-legged hyena to help me out.
Like you've got you say a premium body and you think, well, why don't we make it feel really rubbish?
Yeah, we have to go down this road every single episode now, guys. And I'm sorry, you guys that are Pixel owners out there, know that I am in the tank with you guys and I'm defending it to the end. So don't listen to this voice. Don't listen to this voice.
Well, I now have one, so I can criticize it from a position of strength.
All right, that's good.
And I got £80 back. I got $100 back as well off the deal. So
that was a nice trade. It was
nice a good trade.
Yeah.
But now I had introduced this section as an unboxing of the new Google Pixel, the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and it's friend of the show, Bilal Majeed.
Hello, welcome to the unboxing of this Google Pixel 6 Pro that I ordered on the 19th. I pre-ordered on the 19th of October. So I've got the box in front of me now. It arrives just about 5-10 minutes ago. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm not going to set this up because I'm not really good at transferring the SIM card from my old phone to this one. I'm not very good with that. I can put the pin in, but I can't do the SIM tray. It's a bit fiddly, so I'll have to get someone sighted to do it. Sorry about that. I'll try and explain the unboxing. So I've got the box here. The box is a very light box, and I'm going to just take tabs off. That one's off, and the other one's off as well. I like how you don't have to use a knife to open this thing. So I'm going to open it now. Oh, it's like an iPhone box. Sorry, fruitcake box. Oh, and the camera is facing up, which is weird. So we've got the Pixel 6 Pro inside. Let's take that out. Oh, this feels identically like a Samsung Galaxy. So nice. Oh, it's so good. Premium. And let me just take this top thing off, this cover, plasticky. Put that to one side. Put that there. Oh, and this screen looks amazing. Oh yes, looks amazing. It's like proper Gorilla Glass Victus. Don't want to drop this. Bit slippery though, but it's alright. I'm going to get a case for this anyway. And the camera sticks out at the back. Bit weird, but it's a bit of a break from my old Pixel 4. On the top, you've got your antenna. It feels a bit plasticky. That's why the radios, 5G radios are and all that. And to the side, left side, you got your SIM tray, where you can put your pin in and put your SIM card in, which I'll be doing shortly. And to the right, you got your power button, volume up and down. Let's see how these sound. Not bad, really. Go for turning talkback on. And to the right, you got your stereo speaker. Hopefully this. Sorry. I hope these speakers sound good. And it restores a real earpiece speaker this time rather than the old, the Pixel 5 speaker, which were crap. I don't know. I don't own a Pixel 5, so I don't know how they sound. So on your right, you got your bottom firing speaker. You got your USB-C port to charge it, and that's about it really. And this phone comes with a under display fingerprint sensor, so no face unlock, unfortunately. But funnily enough, I can't feel the earpiece speaker with this one. It's weird. Don't know where the sound's coming from. It's a tiny one, right at the top. And let's see what else we've got in the box. We've got our shiny new USB-C cable. And we've also got some paperwork. Who cares about that? Oh, and we've got the SIM card. The SIM ejection tool. Let me just put this phone to the side. So I've got this SIM card tool, and we've got the instructions and everything. And we've got the USB adapter as well, which I've already got on my pre-Pixel 4, but it's nice to have another one. And that's about it really. That's the unboxing done. I'm just going to put this back. And thanks for listening to my unboxing. I'm going to set this up shortly, but as I said, I don't know how to transfer the SIM cards myself, so I've not had a chance to set it up yet. So I just thought I'd do the unboxing. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Thanks very much, Bilal, for that. I could tell that you really love your Pixel, even before you turned it on, and no doubt now you've set it up, you're equally happy with it. Any sign of either of your Pixels, Warren?
Well, for my Pixel, here's what's going on. Frankly, because I really don't want a 128 gig Pixel, so I am returning mine. I'm not even opening the box, and I'm just going to let Google know the box was not even open. I'm not basically the same box that it was sent in. I'm going to simply put the return label on it and just send it back. So I'm not even opening up that box at all.
Is it here yet though? Like, do we know where it is?
Yeah, I think it's downstairs. It got here. It was supposed to be here Thursday. Somehow it didn't make it, but it was there yesterday. I didn't even look at it, but it's sitting down on my desk somewhere there. I'm just going to return it.
It is at the mystery desk, the desk that swallows Galaxy watches.
I know. My wife told me you have a box there, and I know it's from Google.
And any sign of the waiting list length? Any news on the 512?
I don't know. I just I haven't heard anything back, but it says, yeah, you're on the waiting list. And frankly, at this point, maybe I'll get it sometime in the spring or maybe by Google I/O. You never can tell.
And you want that phone? You'll keep it, will you, or will you review it? Because you're not a flagship guy. Are you? You're a yesterday's wine guy.
No, really though, I wanted to keep this because it's a 512 gig version. And for $200 more, you get 512. I'll be crazy to buy that 128.
Yeah, no, for sure.